Hey everyone, in the previous video we discussed McKinsey report on why India is the next chemical manufacturing hub, and we clearly established that China plus one theme is not a fad. It is a long-term structural shift where global companies are reducing their dependency from China and creating new supply chains. And that's where India has emerged as one of the leading players due to its highest workforce availability at one of the lowest labor wage in the world, availability of resources including your electricity, water, land at very competitive rates, and India is also leading with one of the lowest infrastructure setup cost including your machinery, construction, etc. On top of that, Indian economy has a very strong domestic consumption demand that would further drive the growth of chemical sector. Clearly, the recent correction in chemical sector has created a great buying opportunity in chemical stocks for long-term investors. So in this video, I am going to cover some of the top chemical stocks that you can consider buying in 2023 for potential wealth creation in the next 5, 10, 20 years. But before that, this video is only for educational purpose. Make sure that you do your own research before investing your money. And if you haven't watched my previous video, then I would request you to pause this video and watch that first part. That will give you a clear picture of what we are talking about. Alright, let's get started. Before we discuss the top chemical stocks, I want to clarify that I am not considering API sector in this list. Although APIs are also chemical based compounds, but we are keeping APIs separate from chemical stocks list. In fact, API industry also has huge growth potential, but maybe we will discuss it separately. Second, I want to clarify that there are over 150 listed chemical companies in India, and obviously I can't research on each one of them. However, I have curated a list of top 12 chemical companies that I think that create wealth for its investor. Alright, let's get started. So McKinsey in its report mentioned that within chemical segment, specialty segment is the strongest pillar of India's chemical sector. Within specialty segment, one of the fast growing category is oleo-based chemical. Oleochemicals are compound derived from natural fats and oils that are used as substitute of petrochemicals. Oleochemicals are safer than synthetic chemicals and hence they find usage in personal care and cosmetics. They also find usage in coating, adhesive, household cleaning, food additive, pharma and nutraceutical segment. So my first pick in oleo-based chemical is Fine Organics. Established in 1970, Fine Organics is India's largest and world's 6th largest oleo-based additive manufacturer with top clients including Coca-Cola, Britannia, Asian Paints, Parle, Pidilite, Berger Paints and so on. That itself speaks everything about the company, isn't it? Basically, Fine Organics chemical find usage in your cookie, face cream, lipstick, chocolate, ice cream, paint and even tires. Since in the future the demand for natural raw material and sustainable products would increase, it would directly benefit Fine Organics. Now I remember covering Fine Organics first time in my small cap superstar list during early 2021. And since then Fine Organics has zoomed exponentially, generating 3 times return in 2 years. However, in last 6 months, Fine Organic shares have corrected more than 40%. Currently, it is trading at levels of 4100 at a P ratio of 21 and commands a market cap of around 12,500 crore. At current levels, Fine Organics is looking very attractive. Now, since it is in downward trend, there can be further potential correction, but nobody knows the exact bottom. Hence, best approach is to accumulate the stock systematically. Friends, due to time constraint, I can't explain the business, key strength, challenges, financials in detail. But if you want me to discuss the fundamentals of any of these companies in detail, let me know in the comments and I'll create an in-depth video on them. Although I've already created in-depth videos on many of these stocks and provided the link in the description box. Now my second top pick is Galaxy Surfactant. Established in 1980, Galaxy Surfactant is a leading player in the world of surfactant and specialty care ingredient used as raw material in home and personal care industry, including your moisturizer, cleanser, shampoo, conditioner, hair color, anti-aging cream, toothpaste, nail polish, foundation, your laundry wash, dish wash, hand wash, etc. Galaxy Surfactant is a supplier to world-class companies like HUL, P&G, Colgate, Dabur, Himalaya, L'Oreal, etc. Companies continuously focusing on innovation by manufacturing non-toxic, biodegradable and naturally derived ingredients. I've already done in-depth analysis on Galaxy Surfactant long back when it was at levels of around 3000. I provided the link in the description. Currently it is trading at levels of around 2400, down 30% from its peak, and its current PE ratio is 22 and commands a market cap of around 8500 crore. It is one stock where I have good exposure because of its strong leadership and very attractive valuation. In McKinsey report, it mentioned that one of the fast-growing sub-segment within chemical would be fluorine, with high usage in pharma and agrochemical sector. The reason being that fluorine is a highly electronegative element that radically modifies the chemical property of a molecule. Then fluorine carbon bond is the strongest bond that increases the metabolic stability of the drugs or pesticides. The importance of these fluorine-based molecules can be gauged from the fact that almost 40 to 50% of the upcoming new products in crop science and life sciences have fluorine molecule in it. Moreover, fluorine also find usage in electronics industry that has very bright future. So I have got 3 picks in fluorine-based chemistry. So my third top pick is SRF. Established in 1970, SRF is a leading chemical manufacturer in the area of fluorochemical that find usage in refrigerant gas as well as pharma and agrochemical space. Moreover, SRF is also a leading player in technical textile segment with application in heavy-duty tires, conveyor belt, ropes, safety nets, fish nets, etc. SRF has also started manufacturing specialty fluoropolymer that find application in battery chemical, solar power, aerospace, automotive and coating. Company has plans to invest 15,000 crore rupees between FY24 to 28, out of which 12,000 crore rupees is for chemical segment and remaining is in its packaging film business. Currently it is trading at levels of 2,300 and current PE ratio is 31 and commands a market cap of 68,000 crore. Then fourth stock is Navin Fluorine. Established in 1967, Navin Fluorine is again one of the leading specialty fluorochemical company in India. Basically, it has 3 business verticals. First is specialty chemical with downstream usage in pharma and agrochemical sector. Second is CRAMS business where it provides manufacturing services to global companies. And third is your refrigerant, inorganic fluoride and HPP, that is high performance product. Now over FY22 to 24, the company is planning to invest 830 crore rupees in your HPP, specialty and CRAMS business unit. For instance, recently Navin Fluorine has entered into a 7-year 2,800 crore contract with Honeywell International to manufacture Honeywell's proprietary products in India, for which it will be investing 440 crore. Then it has recently invested 195 crore in a multi-purpose plant at Dahej. This plant will manufacture agrochemical intermediates. In short, the future of Navin Fluorine is very bright. If you want to understand its business in detail, I have created an in-depth video and the link is in the description. Currently, it is trading at levels of 4,300 rupee and current PE ratio of 68. That is certainly a premium valuation due to its bright growth prospect. At current levels, it commands a market cap of 21,000 crore rupees. Now, my fifth topic is Gujarat Fluorochemical. Company is the only PTFE fluoropolymer manufacturer in India and a major supplier of fluoropolymer to Europe and US. Its products find usage in industries like oil and gas, printing ink, semiconductor, chemical processing, wire and cable, automotive, agrochemical, pharmaceutical, textile, air conditioner, etc. Gujarat Fluoro has also entered into new age business of chemicals and fluoropolymer for EV batteries, solar panels, semiconductor and hydrogen fuel cell where there is immense growth potential. Company has planned a capex of around 2,500 crore between FY23 to 24. Again, I have already discussed Gujarat Fluoro in detail. Link is in the description. Currently, company is trading at around 3,100 rupee, down 25% from its peak and command a PE ratio of 28 with market cap of 31,000 crore. In its report, McKinsey mentioned that sodium and caustic are also fast-growing subsegments along with agrochemical. So, sixth stock in my list is Tata Chemical. Incorporated in 1939, Tata Chemical is the third largest producer of soda ash in the world that finds more than 50% usage in glass manufacturing. And considering the high demand for solar glasses, soda division would continue to grow. Tata Chemical is also the sixth largest producer of sodium bicarbonate, most commonly used in your bakery products, animal feed and pharmaceutical. Tata Chemical also has strong presence in agrochemical segment with its listed subsidiary Rallis India. And company also offers nutritional solution that is also a potential segment. Then Tata Chemical is also into material science solution that is serving needs of high performance materials across several industries including your tires and rubbers. I have already discussed the fundamentals of Tata Chemical in detail. Currently, company is trading at around 950 rupee with a very attractive PE ratio of 11.8 and commands a market cap of around 24,000 crore rupees. Now, seventh stock in my list is Deepak Nitrite. Established in 1970, Deepak Nitrite is a leading chemical company with presence across three segments: basic chemical, fine and specialty chemical, and performance product. Within basic chemical, Deepak Nitrite is the leading producer of sodium nitrite and sodium nitrate in the world, that is application in paint industry, petrochemical industry, and rubber industry. Within fine and specialty chemical, Deepak Nitrite is among top 3 global players of xylidine, cumidines, and oxime that find application in agrochemical, colors and pigment, paper, personal care, and pharma industry. Within performance product, it has optical brightening agent and flavonic acid, which is application in textile, coating, paper, detergent, etc. It has 100% subsidiary with name Deepak Phenolics that manufacture phenol, acetone, and isopropyl alcohol. Deepak Nitrite is the largest producer of phenol and acetone in India that are used for making glue, household product, and as intermediate for industrial synthesis. Now, acetone is a solvent used in manufacturing of pharma product, plastics, cosmetics, and personal care product. And IPA is also a key component in manufacturing of cleaning, disinfectant, inks, agrochemical for formulation, resin, acrylic emulsion, pharmaceutical product, and sanitizer. Company share touched a high of 2,900 rupee, but it has corrected around 38% to current levels of 1,800, and current levels it command a P ratio of 28 and a market cap of around 25,000 crore rupees, and looking attractive in terms of valuation. Next 4 stocks in my list are from agrochemical sector, which is also a fast growing subsegment as per McKinsey report. So 8th pick is PI Industries. Incorporated in 1947, PI Industries focuses on complex chemistry solution in agri and pharma science. It has a wide range of product in categories including insecticide, fungicide, and herbicide. Currently, PI Industries is trading at around 2,900 rupee and commands a P ratio of 38 and a market cap of 44,000 crore rupees. 9th stock in my list is Sumitomo Chemical. Established in year 2000, Sumitomo Chemical India is a subsidiary of Japanese company Sumitomo that was founded in year 1913. Sumitomo Chemical India has presence in all the product segments including your insecticide, weedicide, fungicide, fumigants, rodenticides, plant growth nutritional product, biorationals, and plant growth regulator. It is also into animal nutrition and environment health business. Currently, company is trading at around 430 rupee and commands a P ratio of 43 with a market cap of around 21,500 crore rupees. My 10th pick is Vinati Organics. Incorporated in 1989, Vinati Organics is one of India's leading manufacturer and exporter of specialty organic intermediates, monomers, and polymers that find application in pharma, water treatment, oil field recovery, then construction chemical, personal care products, emulsion polymer, detergent, etc. Currently, company is trading at around 1730 and commands a P ratio of 40 with a market cap of around 17,500 crore. My 11th pick is Anupam Rasayan, a leading life science specialty company that offers various specialty chemicals across agrochemical, personal care, and pharma sector. Currently, it is trading at levels of around 760 at a P ratio of 50 with market cap of around 8,000 crore. Now, my 12th final pick is Rossari Biotech, one of the largest textile specialty chemical manufacturer in India, along with presence in animal health and nutrition. Company share jumped exponentially post its IPO in 2020, but it has corrected more than 60% to current levels of 590 rupee. At this level, it is trading at a P ratio of 50 and market cap of 3,200 crore. So this is my list of top 12 chemical stocks. If I summarize, it includes your Fine Organics, Galaxy Surfactant, SRF, Navin Fluorine, Gujarat Fluoro, Tata Chemical, Deepak Nitrite, PI Industry, Sumitomo Chemical, Vinati Organics, Anupam Rasayan, and Rossari Biotech. Apart from these 12 companies, there are 4 more chemical companies that I would suggest keeping a close eye. First is Clean Science. It works on developing eco-friendly and sustainable manufacturing processes of specialty and fine chemical. Although currently Clean Science is trading at a premium valuation with a P ratio of 51 and commands a market cap of 14,500 crore. Second stock is Aether Industries. Recently IPO'd in June 22, Aether Industries is a specialty chemical company and among the leaders in its category. For instance, it is the largest manufacturer of 4 products in the world and only manufacturer of 7 products in India. Most of their advanced intermediates and specialty chemical manufactured for the first time in India. Again, company commands a premium with a PE ratio of 91 and has a market cap of 11,000 crore rupees. Now third stock is Neogen Chemical. Neogen can be a big beneficiary of lithium-ion battery growth in EV segment as company is doing a greenfield expansion of electrolyte and specialty lithium salt at a new site for dedicated battery material. Their management expect revenue growth of 30% CAGR by FY 26-27, which is phenomenal. Currently, company has a market cap of just 3,200 crore, but considering immense growth potential, it commands a premium with a PE ratio of 63. Then fourth stock is Sudarshan Chemical. Sudarshan Chemical is the third largest pigment producer globally with domestic market share of 35%. These pigments find application in coatings, plastics, inks and cosmetics. Again, a very small cap company with a market cap of just 2,700 crore but commands a premium with a PE ratio of 48. So this is it from my side. Now tell me, which is your most preferred chemical stock for long-term investment? And if you want me to cover any specific stock in detail, let me know in the comments. And if you find this video useful, please share it with your friend circle. I will see you next video. Till then, take care.